Oh wow, dark black apple. I'm seeing first time. Nice. Oh, this is so relaxing. Which fruit is this? Let's do comment. Oh, fresh watermelon. Cutting so satisfying. Amazing. Do you love mango? So subscribe and follow. Doing designing. Oh, fresh pomegranate. Cut 4 sides. It's so fresh. Do you like apples? Cutting apple on tree. Wow. Do you know this fruit? It's a very old fruit. Nice. I love watermelons. Looks so refreshing. Are you guava lovers? Wow. Wow, cutting so satisfying. Relaxing. Wow. Which fruit is this? Let's do comment. Are you apple lover? So do subscribe and follow. I love mangoes. I think it's frozen. Wow, relaxing. Oh, look so fresh grapes. Nice. Which fruit is this? So relaxing cutting. Oh, refreshing apple. Looks so juicy. Oh wow. Mango lovers, do subscribe and follow. Oh, do you like oranges? Wow. Looks so juicy. Which fruit is your favorite? Please do comment and subscribe my YouTube channel and follow this page. Thanks for watching.